Good morning, middle school. We're back in the Seagull's kitchen this evening, and we're going to do a job that we do about once a week where we pull everything away from the edges of the counters and we wipe them down. We're going to actually make a little homemade cleaning solution tonight that's totally non-toxic. It's pretty much just white vinegar, and Lulu's going to squeeze us a lemon so that it smells good. And when you think about offering your help, especially doing chores at home, I want you to think about how you go about it, how you just pitch in and do without even being asked, and the feedback you get from that, as opposed to, let me know if there's anything I can do to help, or I hope you'll tell me what I can do to help. Those more kind of passive, okay, it's on you, boss, parents, to get me in line, instead of just picking it up and getting it done. So whenever you see someone working, if it's at home, if it's at school, out in the world, it's nice to lend in and pitch a hand. So finding ways to do that shows that you care. All right, ready? So grab one of those. You can take a little of this. And whenever you're doing any kind of dusting job like this, you always want to go from top to bottom. Dip a little bit.
Do I dip a little bit?
And you dip a little bit too. Go from top to bottom, or in this case, from the back to the front. I'm actually just going to wipe it straight onto the floor, knowing that we're also going to do some sweeping in a little bit. Smells good, doesn't it? Here you go. Use this one too. Many hands make light work.
Well, we already used up most of it. Whoa.
That's okay.
We need more, Mom.
You grab those and move them away from the edge, Lou.
Mom, we need more.
Okay, we'll have to have Lou make some more. Right into there. And then imagining we're all done with that, what's next? What do we do next?
We sweep the floors.
Sweep the floors. All right, so grab your sweepers. You got one too? And get to it. So when you sweep the floors, you also want to sweep from the edges of the and the corners straight into one central pile. You're mopping instead of sweeping.
We don't have as many brooms as we need.
Oh, we need another broom.
You can have mine.
That's so sweet, Days.
But I think it's a little small.
All right, can you grab your dustpan, Days?
Of course.
Excellent.
Hey, I'm the only one really using.
Oh, and you're doing a little other dusting? All right.
That's better. That's more like it.
Okay, so pitching in, finding a chore that's appropriate for you. If you need any help, or if it's something that you know your folks might not want you to hang on to, then you just say, hey, I'm going to, or is it okay if I empty the dishwasher? Then they'll let you know that, yeah, sure, that'd be great. Thanks so much for taking initiative. Okay, I hope you guys are super duper helpful this weekend, and I look forward to sharing more ideas with you next week. First full week of school at home. Check.
Bye.
Good work, ladies.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.